Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Basera and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So today's topic of discussion is one of my favorite, that is LinkedIn. So today we will discuss what are the key sections on LinkedIn in which we can sell our services or even sell our skills. So without any further delay, let's get started. We'll discuss about three important sections on LinkedIn. First, the headline, second, the about section, and third, the featured section. So let's jump on to the headline first. Okay, so here I will tell you what is the exact formula that we can follow while writing a headline on LinkedIn. So I will bifurcate the headline for two kinds of people. Like if you are a fresher, then you can follow this, and if you are experienced, then you can follow this. Okay, so let's talk about freshers first. So first of all, what you need to do here is what you are doing. Okay, so very first thing you can add here is what you doing. Then your USP. What is the meaning of USP here? Like what you can offer, what is the differentiator you have. So here you can add your skill sets, any of your top skills you can add here. And at last, what you can offer. So this is the final, like in short we can say, a formula of writing a headline on LinkedIn for freshers. And at last you can also add an achievement in that field if you have. Okay, now let's take an example. So here let's assume that you are a data analyst and you want to write a headline for your LinkedIn profile. So how can you do this? So first of all, what you do or what you doing? You are a data analyst. Okay, now what are your USP or a skills? So you can write Power BI, SQL, Excel, Python, or any other valuable skills you can add what you believe that you have. And the third is what you can offer. Here what you can write is I can tell or even generate insights from complex data set or data, whatever. And at last you can write any of your achievement in that particular field. For example, you have achieved any ranks, or based on the, like, we all know that many organization offers project challenges weekly or monthly. Maven analytics offer monthly project challenges. So whatever, if you have earned like if you have secured the position first, second, third, whatever, you can add it. Or else LinkedIn offers to earn a community badge on the particular skills. So you can also add that achievement. So here we write the top LinkedIn voice, like how many times you have earned, like 2x, 2 times means 2x top LinkedIn voice. So this is the ultimate headline of your LinkedIn profile if you are a fresher. Okay, so now let's talk about what if you are the experienced person. Okay, now let's talk about if you are an experienced person, that how can you craft your headline on LinkedIn. So the formula for this, first, who you are, who you are, then what you offer, what you offer. Now the target audience. Who is your target audience? And their pain point. Now you have to write the pain point of that particular audience. And at last, the differentiator or USP, whatever you say. Let's write USP. It's easy. Okay. So let's take an example. So let's assume you are an experienced Power BI developer. So first of all, a Power BI developer Now what you offer. So let's suppose you can automate the Power BI system. So let's write it. Automate the Power BI system. This is what you offer. Now what's the pain point? So you can write in just 60 or 50, whatever, 60 days. And the last, your USP or the differentiator, you can write increased 50% sales efficiency. So this is the final headline for an experienced person. So we have here write that who you are, a Power BI developer. Now what you offer, like I can automate the Power BI system. This is your offering. Now what's the pain point? In just 60 days. And what's the USP? Increased 50% sales efficiency. It means that you are not only automate the system in 60 days, but you are generating the results of that particular system. Okay, so this is the final headline of the particular experienced person. So here we have discussed the headline section of both freshers and the experienced section. You can take a screenshot of this. Okay, I hope this is clear, both of you. Okay, now let's talk about your featured section. So if you not aware about the featured section, so first let me clear it. So featured section on LinkedIn is something that whatever the top content you have on LinkedIn or outside the LinkedIn, you can add in that section. So here the catch is what kind of content or stuff we can add in the featured section. So the very first kind of content is your achievements. Yes, so whatever achievements you have made in your professional life, then you can add it. For example, if you have received any valuable certificate, then you can add it here. And if you have received any award, any honor, then you can add it here. That is valuable to your particular domain, which is very important. Second, clickable links. Okay, now what is the meaning of clickable links here is like if you are offering your services or your content outside the platform of LinkedIn, like in Instagram or in YouTube or in any other particular website, on Medium also. So you can add the link of that stuff in your featured section also. Like you are a good content creator and a good stuff in your Instagram page or YouTube page, then you can add the link in your featured section, so then whenever any person visit in your profile, they can easily check out in what other kinds of platform you are available in. Okay, and the third point or the third thing which you can add in your featured section is your top content which you have shared on LinkedIn itself. Like if you got many likes, a huge engagement on particular content or a post, then you can add in your featured section. But remember here that whatever you are adding in your featured section, it should be a kind of a USP of your services. This is what matters. Okay, now let's talk about the last part of this video, that is the about section on LinkedIn. So about section is something in which you can brief your journey and express what you particularly the person are, and inform the visitor of your profile that who you are, what you offer, and how can one reach out to you. So first thing we can add here is start with hook line. This is something which we can never avoid this. If you not start your stuff with a hook line, then it is there is a high possibility that people will avoid this section, which is a very important for you. Okay, so start with a hook line is very important. Second, tell a story. Here the meaning of story is like share a story that how finally you come up with the position you own right now. This is a kind of a story you can add in your about section, a short but attractive and readable story. Okay, third, services. You can brief about your services, like whatever your services you offer, you can create a short para of that section. Okay, and the last, the contact information. How the person finally can reach out to you for whatever the services you are providing. So this is the very important point or a detail that you can never avoid it. So this is the 4 important or ingredients I can say to add in your about sections to make your section more readable, and we can say you can sell your services in that section also. Okay, so these are the key sections we have discussed in this video, that is headline, your about section and your featured section on LinkedIn. But still, if you have any doubt, you can comment or drop a comment in this video. I will definitely try to reach out to you and solve your problem. And if you like this video, you can just subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification for my upcoming video. Till then, bye bye. Happy learning.